Welcome, Passage Pioneers. I'm your host, and I'm going to take you on an extraordinary expedition along the enchanting Amalfi Coast. Join us as we uncover the ultimate way to explore this Mediterranean gem. We'll go through its hidden treasures and also its culinary wonders. Get ready for a journey of a lifetime! From charming fishing villages to dramatic cliffside towns, the Amalfi Coast is a symphony of colors, flavors, and culture. It is so beautiful. Our voyage begins in the captivating town of Sorrento, a gateway to the Amalfi Coast that radiates authenticity and allure. You gonna do a bus ride? Not only does it treat you to scenic views, but it also gives a glimpse into the heart of Italian life. There are of course other modes of transportation like cars or scooters if you want to explore the region a little bit more. And if you're driving along the coast, while it might seem intimidating, don't be discouraged. Let some local experts and experienced drivers take the wheel. However, for those who relish driving, hitting the road can unveil a world of opportunities to discover Amalfi's coastal wonders. But when it comes to accommodations, consider immersing yourself in the local culture by staying in a charming villa or a cozy Airbnb. I've done Airbnb, they're great. Except the cleaning fees, they're not so great. Using these options can offer comfort and a chance to connect with the region's rich heritage. Oh, and one more thing, don't forget to carry a roll of toilet paper with you. Trust me, it's a small but practical addition to your adventure toolkit. You'll need it. To truly savor the Amalfi Coast's natural allure, put on your nice walking loafers and venture into the path of the gods. This ancient trail offers sweeping vistas that will leave you speechless. I mean, look at it, it's gorgeous. You're gonna feel so deeply connected to the land, you'll be stunned. Alright, moving along now, we're checking out Positano, a gem nestled along the coast. It invites you to lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets. Each corner exudes unique charm, from boutiques to art galleries, ensuring endless discoveries. But of course, no exploration of the Amalfi Coast is complete without savoring its world-renowned cuisine. For seafood enthusiasts, be prepared for a feast that will leave your taste buds in a comatose-level bliss. And once you wake up, you'll be dying for more. Also, as a favor to me, make sure you check out the famous limoncello gelato available at every turn. A personal favorite is Franco's Bar, which is perched on a lofty vantage point overlooking the sea. Gosh, it's beautiful. Franco's Bar offers not only breathtaking views, but also an array of exceptional cocktails. Their limoncello-infused creations stand out and provide a true signature experience. Relax on their terrace, soak in the Positano scenery, and let the landscape elevate your limoncello-infused journey to new heights. But to truly and authentically immerse yourself in the culture, you gotta go to the local markets, where it's all hustling and bustling down there, and there's where you'll find the true essence of the region's flavors and see them come to life. Don't forget to interact with enthusiastic vendors who want your money, and make sure to handpick vibrant ingredients and embark on a gastronomic adventure within your own kitchen. If you're considering this culinary journey, having a companion fluent in the native tongue can really enhance the experience. Alright, so we had some food, we drove around, now it's time to settle down and unwind, and the Amalfi Coast offers an array of stunning beaches to suit every preference, whether you seek relaxation or excitement. The inviting shores are something for everybody. Here are the top 3 favorite beach clubs. Our first stop is the renowned Limoncello Beach Club in Positano. Nestled into the rugged cliffs, this elegant oasis offers stunning views of the Tyrrhenian Sea. With luxurious loungers, refreshing cocktails, and attentive service, Limoncello epitomizes refined relaxation. Next is Loreto Beach, where you'll find Dal Adolfo, a hidden gem accessible only by boat. This rustic beach club is famous for its delectable seafood and laid-back atmosphere. And don't forget to sink your toes into the sand because you'll understand why it's a favorite among locals and myself. Almost forgot. Savor the Furore Beach Club, nestled within the dramatic cliffs of the fjord. This is truly a one-of-a-kind haven that presents a captivating fusion of emerald waters and untamed splendor. Immerse yourself in the crystalline sea or soak up the sun in their spacious terraces. It's truly an unforgettable experience. Water enthusiasts, rejoice, cause here we are! We'll be able to dive into the aquatic exploration as you paddle along the coast's dramatic cliffs and secret coves that hopefully don't have somebody homeless down there. That would be really scary. But it certainly will add an extra layer of adventure to your journey. And here's a tip, don't forget your water shoes. Many of Italy's beaches are pretty rocky, so having some water shoes will really save your feet a lot of agony. So make sure you find yourself a sleek and affordable pair. Oh man, I'm tired. That was exhausting. The sun is setting. But wait, we need to find a serene spot to witness the magical Amalfi sunset. The sky will transform into a canvas of hues, painting a breathtaking scene that captures the essence of this coastal paradise. With a glass of regional wine in hand that I'm sure tastes a heck of a lot better than my $10 wine at home, you'll be able to reflect on the day's journeys and memories crafted along the Amalfi Amalfi's rugged coastline, and every sip is a toast to the beauty that surrounds you. From awe-inspiring landscapes to mouth-watering cuisine, the Amalfi Coast offers a sensory experience that leaves an indelible mark on every traveler's heart. So, as you plan your own Amalfi adventure, keep these insights in mind to fully embrace the wonders that await. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join us on more extraordinary adventures across the globe. Until our paths cross again, Passage Pioneers, happy travels!